What's up, my YouTube friends? Today we got the handy dandy tape measure. We're gonna take some measurements. We got a cool, we're calling it the Tuxedo van today, that we got this fresh Ocotillo cruiser kit on it, and we want to go over this and show you, because what is really cool about this, and a lot of you may not know, is with the Ocotillo cruiser kit, you may be able to just do the front of your van and not have to do anything to the rear if you choose not to, because as you get a look at this, we only did the front and it sits really nice. We're gonna give you some measurements on how this one sits. This also has the diesel engine in it, so it's a little bit heavier. But what I would say the best thing to do is come in here and, you can measure about to that body line right there. And we're coming in at just under 20. We're gonna call that like 19 3/4 of an inch. And then if you measure to the back of this, we're gonna come all the way to the back of this, back here on this body line. And you can see we're damn near about the same. So this thing's sitting really level. And we're just under 20. So if you're wanting to do your van, take some measurements, let us know what the measurements are, and then we can kind of suggest what to do. So as you see in the back of this, we've done absolutely nothing in the back, and it's got a set of 265/75 17s on it. 265/70 17s. I want to make sure I get that correct, otherwise somebody will correct me. So a set of BFG KO2s. These things look really nice on there, and you can see that they have a ton of room in the wheel well still, which is definitely going to be a plus. So usually the biggest problem is up front. That's where we're going to run into issues, and the tire isn't going to clear. And even on this, I'd say it's still going to need a little bit of trimming in here, so that when this tire clears, that it's not going to be wanting to rub on that fender at all. So in the front, we got some cool options that we've done in here. So we did our modified beams, we did our modified radius arms. Now if you notice by the headlights on here, you're going to notice that this is a 08 and older. However, when you look at the radius arms in here, these are going to be the modified radius arms. However, they are the 08 and up radius arms with the different pivot point on there as well. So a little bit of upgrade on the radius arms to help you out, not wear bushings as much, but just a little bit upgrade on the kit. And so typically now we're doing that on all the kits. We're not really doing the older modified radius arms. So even if you have a newer van or older van, you're gonna get the same radius arms. So another cool option on this is, a lot of you guys always ask as far as different shock options. So on this one, you'll be able to see in there, you pop your head in there, I'll make Austin see it. You also see that it's got the Bilstein shocks on the front of it. And then to finish it all off, we obviously have our coils to give us the height. So we got about 3 inches of height out of the front of this, but overall now it's sitting really level. So if you're thinking about putting an Ocotillo cruiser kit on there, or just want a little bit more height, that's a great option, and is going to be obviously a lot less expensive than doing a whole Baja grocery getter where you got to lift the front and rear. So I think that's it. This is gonna be a quick video. Otherwise, Austin just gets to get a awesome shot of the Tuxedo. If you guys have questions on this kit or any of our kits, make sure you guys comment below. Be happy to help you out, and let me know if I missed something. I'll definitely be sure to cover it in the next video. So that's all I got. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec. I will see you guys tomorrow.